In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slides using Gamma A using previous work created by. Start by opening Gamma in your browser. If it's your first time, sign up. Otherwise, log in. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create New. This opens the workspace where you'll decide how to begin. Gamma gives you a few ways to start. You can generate with AI for the fastest results, begin from a blank canvas if you want full control from scratch, or pick a template to get a ready-made structure. For most projects, choose Generate with AI. It jumpstarts your deck and saves a lot of time. Next, enter your topic. Type a clear prompt such as marketing strategy for small business or social media tips for beginners. The more precise your prompt, the better the initial outline will be. When you're ready, click Generate. Gamma will build a complete set of slides with headings, bullet points, and a logical flow based on your topic. Now review and refine. Click any slide to edit text, adjust wording, or add supporting details. If something doesn't belong, remove that section. Need a better order? Drag slides to rearrange them until the story flows naturally. Aim for one main idea per slide to keep your audience engaged. It's time to customize the design. Select a theme or style that matches your brand or message. Adjust colors and fonts for consistency and readability. You can also add images, icons, or videos to bring concepts to life. Gamma's layouts help keep everything clean and modern so your content stays front and center. If you need more material, click Add Card. Use this to insert additional text, images, videos, or charts. You can also embed links and websites to make your presentation interactive. Keep visuals high quality and ensure chart labels are clear so data is easy to understand. Leverage AI to polish your writing. Highlight any text and open the AI options to rewrite, expand, or simplify. This is especially helpful for tightening long paragraphs, clarifying complex ideas, or adjusting tone to be more concise and audience-friendly. When you're ready to share, click Present to enter slideshow mode for a smooth, full-screen experience, or click Share to send a link and collaborate with teammates in real time. This is great for collecting feedback without exporting files back and forth. Finally, export your presentation if you need an offline version. Choose PDF for a fixed layout or PPT for editing in PowerPoint. Often, sharing via link